Welcome to How to Play Beleaguered Castle. To play, you will need a 52-card deck. The 4 aces are removed from the deck and placed in a vertical column. The remaining cards are dealt into 8 piles of 6 cards, each slightly overlapping each other. The piles are built to the right and the left of each ace. The object of the game is to get all the cards from the piles into the foundation piles. Each foundation pile starts with an ace and is built up to the king for each suit. The topmost card from each pile is available to be moved. A card can be moved to another pile if it is 1 rank lower than the card it is being moved to. Suits do not matter when moving cards between piles. A card can be moved to its foundation pile if it is 1 rank higher and the same suit as the current card on top of the foundation pile. Only 1 card can be moved at a time. Sequences of cards do not move together. If a pile becomes empty, it can be filled with any card. If a player is able to get all the cards into their foundation pile, the game is won. If a player gets stuck with no more moves to make, the game is lost. If you enjoyed learning how to play Beleaguered Castle and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.